Children, good morning. Today again let us see, we will see one more problem from the heights and distances trigonometry. This problem is very important for 4 mark problems. It may be expected question. Just I have to see, watch this problem, children. See, if you observe there in this problem, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. Then after a flight 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meter, find the speed of the jet plane. In this, if you observe there, actually there is a aeroplane which is at a constant height from the ground and in the sky. From the sky and the distance from there to here to the ground level, the which is a height is 1500 root 3 meters it is given. So, it is a constant height, it will not change from place to place, it will not change the height down up, it will not change that speed. So, it should be constantly, it is given there speed. So, from the jet plane. Next, first angle which is stands at one point at ground level, if you see that ground level, it is angle is 60 degrees from first position of the point. Later 15 seconds, again its direction is changes another position. So, from the another position the angle of elevation 30 degrees is there, but we need from point to another point how much speed travel the jet plane, that we have to find out, how much speed we need to find. So, that is the question is given. Let us see, and one more hint also is given from the problem. Root 3 is equal to 1.732, the value is given. So, that means we should not keep any root 3 root 2 like that, we have to completely measurements, we have to show the distance or whatever it is. What is the speed formula is there, d by t, distance by time. So, like that we have to apply this. Now, we should see that the problem, how to draw the diagram, we will see that. Okay. How to draw the problem. First problem, how to draw the diagram. Diagram is very important. If you draw the diagram, then we have to go, we have to know something, we will get idea from this problem, complete idea it will come. Okay. Now, see that first we have to draw the height of the jet plane, the height of the jet plane we will see that. Okay. Height of the jet plane. You can see height of the jet plane. This is the height of the jet plane if you observe. Okay. Otherwise, we have to change some place because of jet plane, we will see that. You must keep some distance here, like this here. This is the height of the jet plane I am going to draw. Just look at the diagram very carefully. This is given height of the jet plane. Okay. It is 1500 root 3 meters. 1500. It should be height, it is the height. Okay. The height is given 1500 root 3 meters, but from the position, if you take one position, from this position we can take as how much angle of elevation is given, the ground level which is taken, angle of elevation 60 degrees starting point, 60 degrees it is there. It is 60 degrees it is given. We have to draw. So, this is actually 60 degrees we can give. The angle we can see 60 degrees. Okay. So, after some time the position is changing from place to another place, the position is changing, that how much changing, that it is taking time 15 seconds. In the 15 seconds we change the position time. Moved from another place, which is moved from position to position from other place, it is there. So, from here, so which is again with angle is how much, we must see that what is the angle, 30 degrees, the angle is 30 degrees. Height it will not change, the height is similar, same height from here to there, same height, height nothing change, from there how much it is there, there also same height, height is same, then the angle is going to change, must take must draw the angle, we must draw the angle. So, it is the angle, just I am rubbing this. Point exactly we must draw this. Diagram it is taking some. Okay. So, little bit you have to watch, this angle is exactly it is a roughly diagram, not exact measurements. I am not taking the 60 degrees, this and that distance, approximately I am taking measurements, I cannot take. Okay. That is there. So, it is the from the diagram taken 8 minutes, it is taken already for drawing the diagram. So, here it is 60 degrees, the angle which is there here 30 degrees, it is 30 degrees, here it is 60 degrees. Okay. Now, we should name the points, we have to name it. So, we can take as P, Q, R, S, T, this is their points, which are their points. Now, what is coming, let us see, working we have to draw. So, here it is 90 degrees, okay, we can take as 90 degrees, that is enough. So, what you have to observe from this diagram, Now, PQR is a right angle triangle. The angle which subtends the angle at the point P is 60 degrees. The height of the aeroplane or jet plane is PQ 1500 root 3 meters. This is called as H. Okay. So, that is called as H meters, we can say H meters. So, next another one PTS also 15, PTS is a right angle triangle, the angle is contains at point P 30 degrees, okay, and the height also same as it is 1500 root 3 meters. If you want, you can write here also 15 root 3 meter, 1500 root 3. If you want, you can write 1500 root 3 meters. So, first we will see that what we have to write, first step from this diagram. Okay. It is a lengthy problem and I am going to very slowly for understanding. So, next solution from the diagram, we will complete the diagram, it is taking much time. The figure from the diagram, from figure, okay. What do you notice from figure? We can write the first point, what we can write at angle P, otherwise we have to write the point of position. So, we can write from the point of position angles at the point of position at P, at angle P we can write 60 degrees first one and the next 30 degrees, we can write like this. From at angle P only the angles are forming there, okay. And the position of aeroplane, the position of jet plane, R and S, two positions are there. The positions of, you can write the positions of jet plane R and S. Next, constant height, and what is a horizontal line? The horizontal line, the horizontal, we can write here horizontal line. You can write PQT, PQT, this is horizontal line PQT, okay. Next, at angle Q, at angle Q is, we can say that how much at angle Q, at angle Q is equals to 90 degrees, okay, 90 degrees it is given. Then we can write angle PQR, at angle PQR we can write 6 degrees first one. Next, angle of elevation, this is. Next, angle P, you can write PQR, I said no, PQR, no, it is not PQR, sorry. So, angle QP, or we can say angle QP or angle QP or is equals to 60 degrees. Next angle TPS, angle TPS 30 degrees, that is given there. Okay. I hope you understand this. Now, let us see next working steps. In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, PQR, okay, the height of the height of the jet plane, it is QR is equals to 1500 root 3 meters. Actually it is H, okay, H it is there. So, next we know that the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation the angle of elevation what we can write, angle QP or angle QP or 60 degrees. So, what we have to find distance between the foot of the ground and point of observer, distance between the foot of the plane, we can write that distance, we can write little bit, I have to change this, distance between shortcut BT, distance between foot of the plane or height of the foot of the aeroplane jet plane and point of observer, PT, point of observer. We can say it is PQ. This is the question mark D. Okay. Now, let us see how to find. So, everything is completed. Then we have to go for finding how to do this. So, in a right angle triangle, no. So, tan you have to take, tan theta Tan theta, what is coming children? Tan theta. Yes, what is the tan theta? Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. This is the standard concept. So, opposite side by adjacent side. So, according to this we can say that RP or RQ divided by PQ. So, we can take the angle in the place of theta, tan 60. Tan 60 degrees, what is RQ? 1500 root 3. PQ we do not know, distance, right, as it is. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equals to 1500 root 3 by D. We can cross multiplication. What is getting? D into root 3. How much it is coming? D into root 3 is equals to 1500 root 3. 1500 root 3 means 15 into root 3. We need to find distance, that is PQ is equals to 1500 root 3 by, we can write root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. There we can write here distance D, PQ, D is equals to PQ is equals to 1500 meters. This is, you have to keep in the box. Let us go next one. What is the next one we have to see? The next problem. In this two are there, two concepts we need to find. Next right angle triangle. TPS. Next one is TPS. Next, in a right angle triangle TPS, in, you can write, I have to take this, in right angle triangle is PTS. Okay. Now, so we can take that what we have to take, tan theta. We should take tan theta. Tan theta is equals to tan theta. You know that from this right angle triangle PTS opposite side ST, I am writing going not, it is going to very lengthy, that is why I am shortcut I am going to do now. ST by opposite side ST divided by adjacent side is PT. It is PT is given there. Okay. Then next tan 60 you take, tan 30 degrees, it is equals to ST means 1500 root 3. 1500 root 3 meters divided by, and we can write here PT. PT is the D, we can write PT. Next tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to 1500 root 3 by PT. PT is nothing but D only, distance. We should go for cross multiplication. How much is coming cross multiplication? Just PT into 1. PT is nothing but distance. It is equals to 1500 root 3 into root 3. Why? 1500 root 3 into root 3. So, what is coming this distance? You have to see. So, that is PT is equals to D is equals to what is there? 1500 root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Now, D PT is equals to PT means how much? You write PQ plus QT. PQ plus QT, that is equals to 15 3 is 45, 4500, 500 meters. This is keep in the bracket. It's a very important from this. Okay, 1500. See that. Now, what we need to find here? We need to find the positions. The positions we need to find, the speed of the jet plane from R to S, the speed of the jet plane from RS. So, here we have to observe there, children, what we must observe here? We have to observe here, he is asking that how much, the question is what is given the question, did you observe there? The speed of the jet plane, the speed of the jet plane from point to here, RS is equals to, we must take RS is equals to QT. This is the question mark, the speed of the jet plane from the position R to S. Okay. So, how to find in this QT, QT we want to find QT, this is the question mark we want to find. Total distance is what is there? What is total distance? PT, PT is 4500 meters in this PQ. So, we can write that PT is equals to, we can write it is QT plus what we written there, PQ. From this, children, PT is how much distance is 4500 is equals to QT is nothing but RS. So, RS distance is how much is given there? RS distance position 1500 root 3 meters, that the position we need to from this constant height of the jet plane is 1500 root 3 meters. Then we got the QT or PQ, PQ distance we got there, QT write as it is plus PQ how much is given there, 1500. So, we need to find the QT distance. So, this has to bring this side. So, QT is equals to, we can write directly 4500 minus 1500. This is I written that very shortcut form, because of QT keep this side, this will come this 4500 minus 1500. So, return changes. So, QT is nothing but distance, it is how much, see the distance D, how much is coming, 4500 minus 15, I think 3000 meters it is there. So, distance is given, okay, and here we know that seconds speed, time is given 15 seconds. We need to find the jet plane, speed of the jet plane, speed of the jet plane, speed of jet plane. What is the formula of speed of the jet plane? That is the distance by time, d by t, d by t. So, that is equals to what is coming, d by t, according to speed we can write d is 300 meters, okay, 300 meters by 15 seconds. cancel, 15 ones 15, sorry 3000, 15 twos 30, 200. So, that is the speed of the jet plane, 200 meters per second. So, speed of the jet plane speed of the jet plane we can write speed of the jet plane s is equals to 200 meters per second. So, this is the answer. Thank you.